Hello everyone. So today I just cleaned my code. As you can see here, there are no errors and there's no NOQA to be found in this file also. But not all can be fixed with just the automatic fixing of the Python. Other than the NOQA, I also use just the just the return true. So if the variable like say running is equals to true, then it shows an error like this because this is already true and true is equals to true is true. So while runs if the statement provided or the variable provided is true. So this is something like redundance. So like here, the codes were reduced and it is much more easier to read. There are no statements that exceeds here also. Cleaned as much as possible. But as I said, not everything can be cleared completely like this NOQA, NOQA. And I also removed the other file containing the music. I just added it here since it shows an error as an import that was not used even though it is already used. So here's the game music. Okay, that would be all for today. Till next time.